Hi guys, it's Elisa at Moat Cottage, and today I'm making banana loaf. Unfortunately, this banana loaf is not gluten-free, so for all my friends who are gluten-free, I'm really sorry about that. However, I know some of you aren't gluten-free, so you should be able to enjoy this. We have abundant oranges and eggs at the moment, and this is a recipe that uses a little bit of both. I'm starting out with 2 jugs, one's for the dry ingredients and one's for the wet ingredients, and then we'll mix them together. So let's start with the wet ingredients. We've got 1 egg. I'm using a duck egg, but you can use a chicken egg. I'm going to use 2 chopped bananas. You could mash the bananas up if you wanted. I like them in small chunks though, so I'm just quartering each slice so that we have little chunks like that. We want the juice of 2 oranges. Next is 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and we give that a good mix in. Now for the dry ingredients. 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of wholemeal self-raising flour, 1/4 cup of raw brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of broken up walnuts. We mix our dry ingredients together. We make a well in the center, and then we just add our liquid. And then mix that together. That's what it should look like. Now it goes into our baking container. This is about 20 centimeters square tin. Now it goes into the warm oven, 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, and that's 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you listen to your timer and don't get too busy and ignore it like I did. Luckily, I caught it just in time. Now let's have the taste test. It's really good. That's why I've been making it for nearly 30 years. Unfortunately, I'm not able to eat flowers, so I'm not going to be able to have any more, and I'll be saving it for the rest of the family. This is a great cake to freeze. So what I do is I'll chop it up into the size portions I like, and then I put it in a container, a sealed container, and I'll freeze it like that so that each piece is slightly separated, so it's easy to get out of the container when you need it. And it's great for when guests come and you've always got a nice cake ready for them to enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I love to hear from you. I know it sometimes takes me a little while to get back. I'm not always online, but I do love hearing from you, and I get back as soon as I'm able to. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.